Okay, hello students. Let us continue with chapter 4, articles. In our previous class, we have learnt about the use of indefinite articles a and an. In today's class, we shall learn about definite articles. A definite article, is used when we want to refer to a particular person or object. Now, let us see when do we use definite articles. We use the with singular nouns. The exercise you did today was difficult. We use the with singular nouns when we make particular references to the nouns. Okay, like the exercise here refers to some particular exercise. Next, we use the with plural nouns. The exercises in this chapter are very interesting. Here we use definite article the before the plural noun exercises. With nouns already mentioned, I am writing a poem now. The poem is about nature. Since we have already mentioned noun poem in the first sentence and we have not mentioned here, we have not used a the in the first sentence because it refers to one singular poem that I am writing now. But in the next sentence, we use the because we are referring to that particular poem which is being written by me about nature. I hope it is clear. Next, with uncountable nouns, when a particular or definite reference is made to them. The milk is stale. So, uncountable nouns, when particular or definite reference is being made to these, we use the again. The milk is stale. Next, ordinals such as first, second, third, next, further. We know that ordinal numbers are first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, also words like next, further come under ordinals. Whenever we refer to these words or we use these words in a sentence, we always use the before them. So, the first boy in the class. Therefore, the before first. Adjectives in the superlative degree. When we use adjectives in the superlative degrees, the highest, the best, the tallest, the shortest, the most intelligent, the wisest, we always use the before the superlatives. Next, we use definite article the with musical instruments. Like musical instruments, like say when we talk about drums, guitars, I play the guitar. Okay, so we use the before musical instruments. Whatever musical instrument we are talking about, she is playing the piano. We use the before the musical instruments. Next, names of seas, oceans and rivers. When we mention the names of seas, oceans, the Ganges is a holy river, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so we use again the before the names of these seas, oceans or rivers. In the next page we can see it is used with some countries, especially groups of countries, as in the United States of America. Okay, the United Arab Emirates, the United Kingdom. Next, we use definite article the with mountain ranges, the Alps, the Apennines, the Himalayas. But remember, we do not use the with names of mountain peaks. So, before Mount Everest, we shall never use the. But before the range, we can use the, like the Himalayas. Okay, well-known buildings, the Red Fort, the Buckingham Palace, the White House. Before the names of these well-known buildings, we again use the definite article the, like the Parliament of India. Okay, next with names of newspapers, the Hindu, the Deccan, the Deccan Herald, the Telegraph, the Economic Times, the Times of India. So before names of newspapers also we use the. Okay, before names of trains or ships, the Darjeeling Mail, the MV Harshavardhana. So this is how we use the definite article in various places in under various conditions for uncountable nouns, sometimes for plural nouns, sometimes for singular nouns, but definitely under certain conditions. Now in this green box you can see we do not use any article with proper nouns such as India, Mr. Rajbir Singh. Right, we do not say the India, right? We do not say the Mr. Rajbir Singh. So before these proper nouns, we should never use any article. Abstract nouns such as honesty, beauty, truthfulness. Before abstract nouns, again, we do not use definite articles or indefinite articles whatsoever. Material nouns such as iron, steel, sugar, etc. Before material nouns, again, we do not use articles. Common nouns in idiomatic expressions such as go by bus, travel by taxi, be out of station, feel at home, etc. So we get to know that before proper nouns, we do not use certain proper nouns, we do not use articles. Before abstract nouns, we do not use articles. For material nouns, we do not use articles. And common nouns which are used in idiomatic expressions, we again avoid using any articles before this. Okay, and after this you have got one exercise in let's practice, and then in the next page you'll find two more exercises given. Your homework will be to write these answers yourselves, and you will verify your answers with the answers that I send you in a Word document in our next class. After this we will be done with this chapter. I'll be sending you some worksheet. The previous day also I had sent you a worksheet for practice. Please practice, and the worksheets which will be on exercises, extra exercises, those will be for you to do in your classwork copy. I repeat, I'll be mentioning in the Word documents the exercises that you need to do in your classwork copy. Those work should be there in the classwork copy. Those will help you because those will be extra exercises for your practice. Okay, so we stop here today, children. Thank you very much. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.